Well, that was a nice massaman curry. Far too much for one sitting, so I'll be having that after I've slammed on a bit more primer. So, today we're having fun with the rear. Lots and lots of little dings and dents. I have to raise them all out, knock them back in. That's all spot welds from the boot panel. A few little dings and dents there, look. I'll just re-prime the whole bloody back panel. It'll be the quickest thing to do. We'll get this rubbed down later on. Slam some white paint on there. That'll be the inside of the shuts done on this side. Not much else to report really, apart from the fact that this camera is really crap. Nice bit of cumulus nimbus cloud going on over there, look, on top of the Burmese mountains. Oh, nice, eh? Still, I might give myself a day off soon so I can get to go out and enjoy some of that. Meanwhile, back to the rubbing.